Hey Frameworks friends! Several months ago, we began working on these custom molded plexiglass flowers. These were completely fabricated in-house, starting off on the CNC machine. Several hundreds of flowers later, we were tasked with shaping them. Luckily, plexiglass reacts great to heat. We could bend and shape the flowers any which way using a heat gun and a couple of weights. Now, these flowers were aimed to hang from a ceiling. Using special hanging hardware that we also supplied, the flowers were finally installed and the final result is more beautiful than we could have ever imagined. Each flower has a wire that is specifically cut to the correct inch and screwed into the ceiling. Hard work really does pay off. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. As always, be limitless. Love, Frameworks.